Tsugomi, a Japanese word referring to something that instills fear, horror, and threats in the eyes of the beholder. It is the very concept Kawasaki designed their Z1000 on, their most radically styled sports bike ever. And it does look like a predator, waiting in the wilderness, ready to pounce on its prey. With the headlight assembly resembling the face of a panther and the LED lights as its eyes, the Z1000 comes across as one of the most aggressively designed street fighters today.
The Z1000 is absolutely my favorite street naked out there. Not only because of the way it looks, but also because of the power it has. With 140 bhp, by no means it's slow. It's also got oodles of torque and you can handle the potholes as you just saw on the road. But yes, there are more powerful street nakeds out there. For example, the Super Duke 1290, which got 180 bhp of power. That is quite insane.
It gets power from the ZX-10R inspired 1043cc inline 4 engine, which is tuned to deliver more power at the lower and middle rev range.
About handling, it handles very well, and even though it weighs around 225 kgs, the weight quite literally disappears when you're riding the bike. And this is one bike which I would not mind taking on the track and competing with the 1000cc super bikes out there.
Let go of the throttle at high RPMs and the engine generates an intimidating intake growl.
What a motorcycle! I want one, but definitely in matte black.